So the m represents the slope. Or the rate of change, and b represents what we call the y-intercept, or vertical intercept. So when you see y equals mx plus b, you know that the slope is right beside the x, and the y-intercept is the number on its own. So if I look at these, this would be my slope. You can write it as 4 or 4 over 1. And that's my y-intercept. If I keep going, the y-intercept here is just -4. And the slope is 1/2. Here the slope is -2, y-intercept -5. So you have to be careful which order they're written in. And here they're given a slope of 2. My y-intercept is not there, it's actually just 0. And you can tell this is a direct variation. And the rest are all partial. So if I look at the next couple, you can always hit pause if you need to copy. Write an equation on the line. The equation is y equals the slope goes beside the x, -3x, and that's the y-intercept. Here it's y equals 3 over 4x, and there's no y-intercept, so I just leave it blank. And the last thing is we're going to draw these. So the slope comes from here, that's 3. Or we can write it as 3 over 1, which will help us draw it. And the y-intercept -1. So what I will do with that is I'll plot the y-intercept first, -1. Then I'm going to rise through 1, 2, 3, up, and over 1. So rise over 1. 1, 2, 3, up, over 1. That's why it's called rise over run. I connect the points. And that's y equals 3x minus 1. So next one, slope comes beside x. You never put the x with the slope, it's just the number with the positive and the negative. The y-intercept's y, 5. Y-intercept is also a vertical intercept. So now you're going to go to 5. And your y-intercept, and now it's the same as going down. That's why it's negative, so you're going to go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. And we label the equation always. We draw the arrows to show it's going in both directions. Slope is 1/2. Y-intercept -6. So I plot -6. Now I'm going to go up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. And that's my line. And there you have it.